Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. As some of you may know, last year I spent a fair bit of time trying to learn basic beginner level Russian. In retrospect, of course, I realised that it probably was nowhere near enough time spent on this particular task. One of the real frustrations I had trying to learn Russian was the alphabet. As I guess many of you will know, Russian uses the Cyrillic alphabet, which is kind of similar but different to the Roman alphabet that we use in English. One of the real annoying things for me was the fact that some letters were basically the same. So a capital T in English is pronounced T in Russian, whereas what for me looks like a capital P rather, is pronounced R in Russian. On top of this, Russian also has symbols that we don't have in the Roman alphabet, which have specific sounds. So all in all, it was very confusing. And to be honest, for me, this was the main stumbling block to progress. If you describe something as a stumbling block, you mean it's a difficulty that prevents progress or understanding or agreement. So Cyrillic was a major stumbling block to progress for me with my Russian. We often talk about stumbling blocks when we're discussing negotiations or contract deals. So maybe if there's a kind of if there are peace talks going on or something like that, then maybe the lack of willingness to compromise on both sides is the main stumbling block. That's kind of preventing people from reaching a settlement. It's the main stumbling block to reaching a settlement. In the same way, if a football club is trying to sign a star player, they're trying to attract them to their team, wage demands could prove to be a major stumbling block. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps other people find out about what we do. Share it with your students, your friends, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you think you might use main or major stumbling blocks